New to Apple numbers? Let's build your first spreadsheet from scratch. In this first part, we'll cover the basics, including how to open numbers, create your first spreadsheet, understand the interface, and start entering data. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation for the rest of this series. Let's begin by opening the app. Press Command plus space, type numbers, and press Return. You can also open it from Launchpad or the Applications folder. When Numbers opens, you'll be taken to the Template Chooser. Now, let's create your first spreadsheet. The Template Chooser includes ready-made layouts for budgets, invoices, calendars, and more. For this tutorial, select Blank and click Create. A new spreadsheet opens with a table already waiting for you. Before entering any data, let's take a quick look around. Across the top is the Toolbar, where you'll find tools for inserting tables, charts, shapes, and more. On the right is the Format sidebar, where you can customize cells, text, tables, and charts. In the center is your workspace. Now let's understand how Numbers organizes your data. Unlike Excel, Numbers places your information inside tables instead of filling the entire page with a grid. You can move, resize, or even add multiple tables to the same sheet. For now, we'll work with the table that's already been created. Let's look at rows, columns, and cells. The numbers on the left are the rows, while the letters across the top are the columns. Where a row and column meet is called a cell. For example, this is cell A1, and the next one is B1. You'll use these cell references later when working with formulas. Let's enter some data. Click the first cell and type name. Press Tab and type age, then press Tab again and type city. Press Return to move to the next row, then enter a few sample records. Notice how easy it is to move around the table using your keyboard. There are several ways to move around your spreadsheet. Press Tab to move to the next column, Return to move to the next row, or use the arrow keys to move in any direction. You can also click directly on any cell with your mouse. Editing data is just as simple. Double-click any cell to edit its contents, make your changes, then press Return. To clear a cell, simply select it and press the Delete key. Next, let's learn how to select cells. Click a single cell to select it. Click and drag to select multiple cells. Hold Shift to select a continuous range, or hold Command to select individual cells. We'll use these selection methods throughout the course. Finally, let's save and rename your spreadsheet. Numbers automatically saves your work as you make changes, especially if you're using iCloud Drive. To rename your spreadsheet, click the document title at the top of the window, type a new name, and press Return. You've now created your first spreadsheet and learned the basics of Apple numbers. You know how to open the app, create a new document, navigate the interface, understand rows, columns, and cells, enter and edit data, and save your work. In the next part, we'll make your spreadsheet look more professional with formatting, resizing, colors, and table customization.